My name is Jasmeet and my major is math. So in this question I have to solve this for n. So I'll start by distributing n. So I'll get 2n minus 2 into 5 equals to 4 minus 5. So 2n minus 5 into 2 is 10 equals to 4 minus 5n. So I have to find it for n. So I'll take all the n elements at one side. So I'll get plus 5 and plus 5 here as well. So this gives me 2n plus 5n minus 10 equals to 4. Now I'll take this 10 to the other side. So we'll get plus 10 here and plus 10 here. So 2n plus 5n equals to 4 plus 10. 2n plus 5n is 7n and 10 plus 4 is 14. To find this n, I'll divide it by 7 and same here. So n gives me